Isabel.
I want to thank
You want to go
the
over?
Association and Glenn Duplex for running a
I'll
really
take
special
over. If
championship.
you want to go over, you can go
For
over.
Coach Cooper and to Justin Heflin and his officials for today. A round of applause.
No.
To our new sponsor, Curry Group Engineering and Construction. To Win Officers for QFAN. To the Old Barracks and Gourmet Food Partner for feeding us. To City Link and to Paddy's Bus for transporting us all year. Can we get a round of applause? To our county board, our chairman Paul Kelly,
Isabel.
our secretary Sinead Kelly, our treasurer Audrey Carr, our PRO Sarah Cochran. Thanks for your continued support, your investment in this group, and for giving us the platform to launch the games like today.
Will you straighten the bus
I
back?
want to thank you especially for the last 2 weeks
Joy Square.
for getting out on the road and getting support and getting money to get this group functioning. Give a good applause for our county board. It goes without saying that I want to thank you for your efforts and commitment over the last year. 12 months ago we stood up here with tears of sadness
It's okay,
and
Isabel.
disappointed.
Don't worry.
Today, you stand here with tears of happiness and joy.
Yeah!
A special mention to two girls that were ruled out this season. To our two cruciates, Anya Kane and Lee McPeak.
Yeah!
That's right in this group. There's a spirit here, and that's something you can't coach. To our backup team, our liaison officer Ryan Kearney, video analysis Matt McLaughlin, staff Adrian Murphy, psychologist Karen Comerton, nutritionist logistics Mike Benton, physios Fiona Armstrong and Thomas Tinley, our SLCs Adrian Ewan,
Over that way.
our gym Ian Moynihan and Fithouse, our goalkeeping coach